Extended burn tests simulate long operating hours for the LED light bulb. Laboratory testing verifies that every LED light bulb operates within strict electrical standards. In the first step of every modern LED light bulb, rare earth minerals used for phosphor materials are extracted from deep mineral deposits. The minerals that enable LED light bulb phosphor technology are transported to processing facilities for purification. Silica sand is collected and refined to form the clear glass domes that protect the LED light bulb. Silica sand is collected and refined to form the clear glass domes that protect the LED light bulb. Aluminum begins its journey as bauxite ore, later refined to create the cooling heat sink of every LED light bulb. Copper mined from deep underground becomes the electrical pathways powering the LED light bulb. Plastic resin is formed into durable housings that protect the electronic core of an LED light bulb. Semiconductor wafers form the heart of the LED light bulb, converting electricity into brilliant light. Special phosphor compounds transform the blue LED chip glow into the bright white light of an LED light bulb. Raw materials from multiple industries are gathered together for the production of the LED light bulb. With materials ready, the journey continues to the factory where the LED light bulb will finally take shape. The raw materials for every LED light bulb finally arrive at the manufacturing facility.
Lifting now. Clear path. Heading to conveyor.
The silica used for LED light bulb glass protection domes is stored under strict industrial conditions. Conductive copper wire will soon power the electrical core of each LED light bulb. The semiconductor wafers used in every LED light bulb are handled in ultra-clean environments. These aluminum blocks will soon be shaped into cooling systems for the LED light bulb. With materials in position, the manufacturing of the LED light bulb is ready to begin. Inside this advanced facility, thousands of LED light bulbs are manufactured every day using precision engineering and automated production lines. Every section of the factory works together to transform raw materials into finished LED light bulbs. Skilled workers begin their shift inside the LED light bulb factory where precision manufacturing is about to start. Aluminum is precisely machined to create the heat sink that keeps each LED light bulb operating efficiently. The aluminum heat sink now moves forward to support the electronic core of the LED light bulb. The electronic brain of the LED light bulb continues toward the coating process that produces white light. Tiny semiconductor chips are mounted onto circuit boards to create the light source of the LED light bulb. A thin phosphor layer transforms the LED chip glow into the familiar white light of the LED light bulb. Glass domes are molded to protect the delicate electronics inside the LED light bulb. As the glass domes cool, they move closer to final assembly in the LED light bulb production process. Before assembly begins, every LED light bulb glass dome is carefully cleaned to remove dust and particles. Before assembly begins, every LED light bulb glass dome is carefully cleaned to remove dust and particles. Each LED light bulb glass dome is inspected to ensure optical clarity and structural quality. The aluminum cooling system of the LED light bulb must be perfectly clean before electronic assembly begins. Drying ensures the LED light bulb heatsink is ready to support the delicate electronic components. Drying ensures the LED light bulb heatsink is ready to support the delicate electronic components. Precision inspection confirms that every LED light bulb circuit board is functioning correctly. Trays full, sending it through. Next batch ready. Trays full, sending it through. Next batch ready. Even the smallest housing component of the LED light bulb is cleaned before assembly. All prepared components now move together toward the heart of LED light bulb assembly. Copper wiring is precisely prepared to carry electricity through the LED light bulb. With all parts prepared, the automated line begins assembling the modern LED below the foundation that supports the internal structure of the LED light bulb. The aluminum heatsink becomes the foundation that supports the internal structure of the LED light bulb. Secure mounting ensures the LED light bulb electronics remain stable during operation. The electronic core of the LED light bulb is mounted onto the cooling heatsink. Thermal paste helps the LED light bulb efficiently transfer heat away from its electronic components. Copper wiring forms the electrical pathways powering the LED light bulb. The plastic housing secures the internal electronics of the LED light bulb. The driver circuit controls how electricity flows through the LED light bulb. Automated inspection verifies the internal connections of the LED light bulb. With its structure sealed, the LED light bulb moves toward advanced automated testing. The protective glass dome completes the basic structure of the LED light bulb. For the first time, electricity flows through the LED light bulb, activating its light-producing semiconductor core. Light output is measured to ensure every LED light bulb meets strict brightness standards. Engineers verify that each LED light bulb produces the correct white light color temperature. Durability tests confirm that every LED light bulb can withstand real-world conditions. Heat management is tested to ensure the LED light bulb operates safely and efficiently. Engineers measure energy efficiency to guarantee the LED light bulb saves electricity. Optical systems analyze how evenly each LED light bulb spreads light. High-speed robotics take over as the LED light bulb enters the advanced automation stage of production. Fault detection systems remove any LED light bulb that does not meet strict manufacturing standards. Approved LED light bulbs now move toward the factory's fully automated finishing systems. Automation begins labeling and finishing every LED light bulb with precision and speed. Each LED light bulb receives permanent laser markings that identify its specifications. Barcode identification allows every LED light bulb to be tracked through distribution. Automated orientation systems position each LED light bulb precisely for inspection. Optical scanners verify the glass dome of every LED light bulb is flawless. Final cleaning ensures the LED light bulb surface remains perfectly clear. Smart sorting systems organize LED light bulbs for the next manufacturing stage. Massive conveyor networks move thousands of LED light bulbs smoothly through the factory. Final polishing enhances the crystal clear finish of the LED light bulb glass dome. From automation, the LED light bulb moves forward for final laboratory testing and quality control. The finished LED light bulb now enters the precision finishing line for final adjustments. Advanced imaging systems analyze every detail of the LED light bulb structure. The screw base of the LED light bulb is measured to ensure reliable connection in every socket. Stabilization allows the LED light bulb electronics to reach steady operating performance. Electronic calibration ensures the LED light bulb delivers stable and efficient performance. Engineers confirm that every LED light bulb shines with consistent brightness. The LED light bulb glass dome receives a final polish for perfect light transmission. Final cosmetic inspection ensures every LED light bulb meets visual quality standards. With finishing complete, the LED light bulb enters the laboratory for strict quality testing. With finishing complete, the LED light bulb enters the laboratory for strict quality testing. The LED light bulb now undergoes final scientific testing before approval. Laboratory testing verifies that every LED light bulb operates within strict electrical standards. Engineers measure the precise light output produced by the LED light bulb. Extended burn tests simulate long operating hours for the LED light bulb. Spectral analysis confirms that the LED light bulb produces the correct color temperature. Thermal cameras confirm the LED light bulb dissipates heat efficiently. Repeated switching tests ensure the LED light bulb survives frequent use. After passing every test, the LED light bulb is cleared for packaging. Durability checks confirm the LED light bulb can handle real-world handling. Certification ensures the LED light bulb meets global safety regulations. The LED light bulb is now ready for packaging and global distribution. Packaging begins as each LED light bulb prepares for retail distribution. Each LED light bulb is carefully positioned inside protective packaging. The LED light bulb package is sealed and prepared for product labeling. Barcode labeling allows every LED light bulb package to be tracked through logistics systems. Retail boxes are grouped into larger cartons for efficient transport of LED light bulbs. Sealed cartons protect LED light bulb shipments during global distribution. Robotic palletizing prepares massive quantities of LED light bulbs for storage. The finished LED light bulbs are stored in the warehouse awaiting shipment. Pallets of LED light bulbs are loaded for delivery to stores and customers worldwide. And this is how modern factories produce LED light bulbs from start to finish.